We have this old sifter that I tried to clean a little bit from the rust, but it has this now, and so I will have to fix it. Well, that's what I could do. Copper wiring, because why not? That's what I have. This is the next thing. Is it ready? It looks like cream. Whipped cream. Maybe they're ready. Oh well. Here. Eh, I'll leave this. Okay, let's try now. This is fine. Once again. Third time is a charm, right? This needs to be lower. Okay, fourth time. Oops. I didn't do anything. It's not good. Fifth try. If I can take it up. Not heavy. What? Is this sixth time? Maybe. Okay, my exercise is done for today. If it needs 20 times, I'm gonna do it 20 times. It's better. Actually, I like this. Okay, one last time. Take number 7. What do? I try again. Now, take number whatever. I think I will just stop and show you when it's done. Okay, actually it was this last try. It is enough, so now I will pour the cement. Will I need more? Maybe. Oh well. Well, that's gonna be it. If I have to patch up something, it will be tomorrow. So many beans. And some forgotten potatoes. I will try to sift some dirt now. This is good, but I will have to sift through that at least one day. So I need a little bit bigger one. I just can't find it right now. Which is not good, but maybe I'll have to do something else. I have found a little bigger one. It's better than nothing. So now let's bake a little bit of wood ash and then this. Will this be enough? Now dirt. And it's ready. Now I'll try to cover this to make it a little bit straight because this is too wobbly. Can you just see it? Maybe. The whole wall needs a little bit of patchwork. And here we have strand of hair engraved in the wall. Yeah. This is from one of those buckets and I like how it turns out. So much better than this even. And now I will sift through one more of those buckets and this will be it, I think. Or maybe I should try to do the whole wall. Yeah, I should put some limits on my goals for the day sometimes. And this is not dry, so it will crack so much. What do I do with it? We are kinda rushing it. Not how I like it to be, but that's how life goes. It's almost straight wall. It's better than before. Now it has to dry out. This is almost dry, so maybe inside it will become like this. And then when I cover it with the last layer, it should be fine and not cracking anymore, hopefully. But that's why it is important for every layer to be perfectly dry before plastering all over it. Otherwise, people put those nets that I put up in the plastered white wall, but we're trying to not do that here. Clean up your windows and doors, guys. Otherwise, this is what you can expect. One more is ready. Also, oops. For now it has small cracks, but they will become a little bit bigger like those ones. So now I'll continue on this side. On to the next bucket. all this much for today, since I didn't have enough time today to do that. So this will be tomorrow. I planted some spinach and also have one of those from there. Nice, nice, nice. Where is my hair? Oh, it's here. My DNA for the future. If anybody wants it, it is 140 to 70 from the wall. And you will find strand of hair for future clone. We have a mosquito living its best life. Then what I'm gonna do? This was cleaned, and now this. I have been doing some sorting out and a little bit of tidying up. It's still ugly, but it's better than, I don't know, it has some order at least. And I checked on the bees. Oh, there were more of those here. And one more thing, we have some shelves being constructed. It looks nice, right? That is, has hurt the wall a little bit. I have to put some things up. Anyways, it will be like this. I didn't finish this yesterday because I had something else to do. But today I will finish this. And this is almost ready. This is the new ugly and a kitty cat. It is waiting for the birdies because they love to hang out in here. And that's it for this week.